how to take ownership and grant permissions of entire hardware in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So if you want to take ownership and grant permissions of entire hard drive in Windows 10 PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your File Explorer. Now under your File Explorer, go with this PC, and here you will have your drives, right? So for example, if you have a drive and if you're not being able to access your drive, or if you don't have the ownership, then what you can do is just simply right click on it, and then you will have Properties section. Under Properties, you need to go with Security. Under Security section, you need to go with the Advanced option. And here you will have the owner, right? So you just need to simply go with Change, and you need to just go with Advanced section. Under Advanced, you need to go with Object Types, that you've selected only users and not the other options, and then go with OK. Once you're done with OK, now you just need to simply go with Find Now, and here you will have all of the names, right? So you just need to simply select the name that you're using right now. So if you go with Windows, then you will have your name right here, or the user right here. So you just need to simply go with that user. So choose the user. Once you selected, go with OK, and the object name will be added right here that you've selected, right? So once you've done with that, then go with OK, and here you will have an option of add. So you just need to simply click on add, go with select a principal, and then go with object types again, and then you can simply choose any option from here and then go with OK. After that, you can go with advanced, and under advanced you can again select the name of the user and then again go with OK, or just go with find now and then select it and then go with OK. Once you're done with it, you just need to simply go with OK again, and here you can go with the basic permissions, which is full control. You can select all of the options that you're comfortable with, and then you can go with OK again, and that permission entries will be added right here. Now you just need simply go with apply, and if it says error applying security, then you just need simply go with continue. Once you go with apply and OK and continue, then you'll be able to access your drive. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.